In today's video, we are going to cover how to set up a service menu in HoneyBook. Begin by logging in to your HoneyBook account, enter your account credentials, then wait for the dashboard to load. Once you are signed in, look to the left-hand side of the screen, where HoneyBook keeps the main navigation menu. This is where you will move into the area used to manage the services you offer. From that left-hand menu, click Services. After the Services section opens, look for the option to create a new menu. Depending on what appears in your account, this button may say Create Service Menu or New Service Menu. Select that option to start building a menu from scratch. You will now be taken to the setup screen for the new service menu. Start by entering a name for the menu. Use a name that makes sense for the type of work or package you plan to present. Then add a description. This description should explain what the menu includes or how it is intended to be used, so the information is clear when you come back to it later or when it is shared with a client. Once the basic information is in place, move on to adding the services you want included in this menu. Add each service one at a time, using the available fields to define what is being offered. As you add them, customize the pricing for each service. If a service should appear with a specific quantity, enter that as well. You can also fill in any service details that help distinguish one item from another. This is the stage where the menu starts to reflect the structure of your actual offerings, so take a moment to make sure the entries match what you want clients to see. After all services have been added, review the full service menu. Read through the name, the description, and each service entry. Check pricing, quantities, and details for accuracy. If something looks incomplete or out of place, make the necessary changes before moving forward. This review step helps prevent publishing a menu with outdated information or missing service details. When everything looks correct, finish by clicking Save or Publish, depending on the option shown in your account. Saving will keep the service menu in your account, and publishing will make it available for use. Make sure you choose the option that matches what you want to do at this stage. Once you confirm that action, HoneyBook will keep the service menu as part of your services area so you can access it when needed. Your HoneyBook service menu is now set up and available in your account.